Alright, so hey guys, it's me Earl here. It's very foggy outside. I just made I'm just making a quick video about this diverter spacer that I got from ECS Tuning. So far it's been a really great product. I've driven over 1,000 miles actually. A little bit update of my car, pretty much driven about 2,000 miles after I made that video, so that just shows you how much I drive. I actually went from New York City back in Maryland now, so I'm in Maryland. You can see it's very foggy. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a quick drive. There's nothing wrong with the car. Little things I did is fix my shifter cover, or whatever you call this shifter cover here, because before it was held by duct tape. But the problem right now is that I think it has to do with the magnets on the shifter cover. It's not reading the PRNDS shift or whatever. So the problem with that is that I can't use manual. So I'm just gonna put sport mode for now. I think I might have to do some coding or something like that. There's nothing wrong with the transmission because it shifts properly. It's just because I got a new shifter cover. It looks so much better now. However, I would like to have the manual option. Anyway, I'm wearing my shorts. It's about 55 degrees outside. Let's go ahead and take a quick drive and let you guys hear the whoosh. So it's a very interesting diverter spacer valve, because a lot of the spacers that were on sale on ECS Tuning were pretty tiny, and this one is very meaty, which is interesting. However, from what I heard and from what I discovered is that it's a lot louder than the usual diverter spacer, which is really interesting. My friend Matt, who has the red GTI Mark 7, has a diverter spacer, but however it's not as audible as this one, which is pretty interesting. This is definitely a very fun experience after driving this. It completely makes the driving experience a lot different than before. It makes it a lot more fun, and it's just really fun to just drive around and make people wonder, what is that sound? It sounds like from a truck. But the only bad thing about installing it on the B7 is that the diverter valve is located under the engine, or under the turbo, so you have to go under, and that's a little bit of a bitch to change. Trust me, I did it. And I mean, although it might not give you any performance benefits, it does sound more satisfying, and you can definitely hear how the turbo works and all of that with the diverter valve. It's a very interesting experience with this. It's more addicting, I guess you could say. It's very satisfying every time you let go of the throttle. Like, wow, oof, you know. For 60 bucks, or maybe you can even find something cheaper, it's definitely worth it. I mean, it's a no-brainer. If you really just want to hear the turbo sound, I mean, what's the point of having a turbo if you can't hear it? So that's one of the things that I really like about this, and I can't wait to add an intake to make it even more louder. Hope you guys enjoyed that really quick video, although it might be just quick. I'm gonna be uploading more in the future. Just bear with me. Car parts are quite expensive, and I have a lot of things to maintain with this car, especially that it's turning 16 in 2022. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy it. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, peace.